Woke me up. We will juice this. I think I just have to cut it in half to fit into the juicer. And that's probably it. I'm only gonna add this lemon juice. So like 2/3 of a lemon juiced. And then we'll taste it. If obviously we feel like we need more, then we can. Homemade food is your favorite? Me too. I always say I cook like a grandma. I said that on Twitter this morning when I posted a photo. And then one of our viewers was like, yeah, Kate, you're a certified chef grandma. I'm like, I'm honored. Hi, Carses. Yeah, zest equals good. Pith equals bad. That is such a funny word. Like, that word is worse than the word moist to me. Pith. The white stuff under the zest. Oh, no. Yeah, don't do that. I accidentally sprayed deodorant in my mouth. You're washing out your own mouth? Green Fang. What is happening over there? Up to no good. That's like the updated version of soap in your mouth. Okay, gonna get rid of these. We'll give this a stir. See all the juice everywhere. We are gonna deep fry the chicken today, Mike. Yeah, stay tuned because that's gonna be fun. It's a really nice day out. So we're gonna set up the wok on the big green egg with the fryer oil and fry the chicken outside like that. It works really great. This looks so numb. Yeah, the lime looks like a small watermelon. Kind of, hey? Okay, I'm just gonna taste this. Should be citrusy and buttery. That's it. We are only doing thighs and drumsticks today, Eric. Oh! It's really citrusy, but I think that's perfect. That reaction. Because it will mellow out as it sits here with the butter. And then we're also putting it onto vegetables, so that's gonna mellow it out even more. So that should be great. And we use just canola oil for deep frying. So now we just put this to the side. Little bit of garnish for later. And next up, we are going to chop some parsley. I'm just gonna wipe the board and then dry it off because fresh herbs don't like to be wet when we cut them. We're gonna pick the parsley. Misha's slapping Green Fang. That joke went above my head. But I hope some others enjoyed it. We do like our terrible jokes here. We'll use all of that. Now I'll pick this. Oh yeah, Annie. Isn't it the best like little stream prop? It looks so good. So bright. This is my cup of roses. Nice one, Carses. You ordered some of the Lloyd pans to up your pizza game. You're very welcome for the info. And I will say, like, Cheese Pizza was the one that got us onto those. So shout out to Cheese for all of the pizza guidance. That's a new band. Cup of Roses. There's no more Guns N' Roses.